Nicolas, encore?
Ouais, ouais, à partir du bord ici, là.
OK.
Descendre à gauche, c'est ça.
You need pedals, man. I know why you're working slow. Because you should be using your feet and your hands at the same time. If I have foot controls, I'll put half of this suspended outside. No problem, because I can control it fast with my feet. I look at it this way. If you're gonna get good with this machine, you're gonna be good with anything. I said it before and I'm gonna say it again. Because when I use my feet, I can work at twice the speed. I'm not wasting my time waiting seconds. I'm losing time with this.